Hello everybody, today in front of me I have Nothing Phone 1, and in this video I would like to show how you can check your mobile phone number on this device. Alrighty, so first of all open up the Settings app, scroll all the way down until you'll be able to open the About Phone category, and in here at the device identifiers you'll see the separate sections for the SIM card number 1 and SIM card number 2 if you have both of them installed. And once tapping on it, it will either not contain the phone number because it's not saved into the SIM card memory as it is for the SIM card number 1, or contain right here phone number and SIM, as you can see, as it is true for the SIM card number 2, just like so. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.